In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute Microsoft Teams audio without affecting your overall PC audio. This is especially handy during meetings or calls when you want to keep alerts and notifications from disturbing you or anyone else around. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to log into Microsoft Teams. So head over to the Microsoft Teams website and enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll notice right away that Teams presents you with a hub of communications options, as well as a range of collaborative tools. But today we're focusing on managing your audio settings effectively. Now that we're signed in, go ahead and locate the video call icon. This is typically found at the top part of the interface near the navigation area. Click on this icon to set yourself up for a video meeting or call. Don't worry, we're not jumping into a conversation just yet. We're setting the stage to customize our audio preferences. In the next step, you'll click on the option that says Start Meeting. This allows you to initiate a meeting, even if it's just a practice run to familiarize yourself with the controls. Doing this will take you to the meeting interface, where we can access various settings. Once you're in the meeting interface, you might notice that there are a few control buttons across the bottom or along the side depending on your screen layout. Now, to control the mute and unmute functions specifically for Microsoft Teams audio, simply press Ctrl, Shift and M on your keyboard simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut is a quick and efficient way to mute and unmute your microphone for the meeting you're currently in, without affecting any other sounds or audio settings on your computer. This can be incredibly useful if you need to speak or stay silent without fumbling through menus while in a meeting. Remember, this function applies only to your Microsoft Teams application, meaning your music, videos, or any other audio playing from your computer won't be silenced when you mute the Teams audio. It allows you to focus solely on your meeting without external interruptions. By mastering these steps, you're equipping yourself with better control over your online communication. Practice using this shortcut a few times until it becomes second nature. This little trick can save you time and prevent any awkward interruptions during crucial moments in your calls. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to manage your audio settings on Microsoft Teams efficiently. Feel free to test out this feature and see how it fits into your daily meetings. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more practical tips and tricks.